Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. It's beautiful morning. It's slightly cold, but not too much. And I came to Lowe's because I have a landscaping guy coming to put some new mulch, plant some new flowers. And I love spring season, because you start now seeing all the leaves coming, the flower is blooming. But the spring season comes with so much allergies. There is a pollen everywhere. And if you have the younger kids, I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about because they have itchy eyes, runny nose, sneezing all the time. So it's really important that we take care of the air, what we breathe. And recently, a company called Lovett, they contact me.
Since we are in a high allergy season, it is really important to make sure that the air that we breathe in, it's clean as it can be, and that's where you need the air purifier. So this is from a company called Lovett. This is very small, sleek, modern looking air purifier. It's so easy to use and it's quiet also. So let's say if you are running this at night time, there is no noise at all, and I'm gonna walk you through. I'll show you exactly how to use this. It's very simple. So as you can see, all the controls are up here. All you do is turn it on. You hear that, and then there is a 3-speed here. So this is the one of them, this is the second, and this is the third one. Also, you can put it on the timer, so you can set the timer, as well as you do have the auto here. So you just put it on the auto and it calculated by itself, and the speed adjusted that way. I'm not sure if you can see here, there is a light. Let me close this blind so I can show you properly. Okay, so this is your display. As you can see the numbers and everything there. This is for the sleep, so you can set the timer that way. And that's your display. If you don't want anything there, you can just press that and nothing will show up. And this is the on and off button. It's really simple, very easy to use. So it also comes with the 2 filter. All you do is open this back side, and this is the one, and there is a one after that. So there is 2 of them in here. They are really easy to replace. All you do is put them in and close this, and that's it, you are done. So as I mentioned, it comes with the 3 different speed, as well as it clean up to 99.99% air. So if anyone is suffering from any kind of allergies, asthma, this is highly recommended. It also comes with a 1-year warranty, as well as it is Energy Star. So as you can see, it's a very small, sleek looking one. It stays right in this corner in my family room. So when it's on, no one even actually knows that it's on, but it's giving me the peace of mind that it's cleaning the air. So I'm gonna have all the information down below in the description box, so don't forget to check this out. And thank you, Lovett, for sending me this. And guys, if you follow me for quite some time, I'm sure you guys must have seen this Himalayan salt lamp in my kitchen. Ever since I got this lamp, it's always sit here in my kitchen. It's always on. It also has so many other health benefit, and that is also from Lovett. So this company has really good varieties of things that also looks good in the house, as well as it helps you health wise. So again, I'm gonna have all the information down below, so don't forget to check it out.
And guys, now let's go to Lowe's. Let's go inside and see what we can find. I'll share my outfit of the day with you guys, but I just want to show you this, that I'm wearing this jeans. This one has a like that Indian design that has a mirror work, as well as this pom-pom things there. It is something different, I haven't seen anything like this. I bought this from Ross a few months back, but I really like it, and I'm wearing my Tommy Hill shoes, and that's it. So let's go. So this is how the garden looks like now. This time I decided to put the stones around this tree, and I think it looks really nice. So leave the comments below, guys. Let me know what you guys think of this. But when I was at the Lowe's, I could not find that much variety, so I had to go to a different nursery to get that. And when I was at the Lowe's, actually my landscaping guy called me. He's like, he's already at home, so I had to hurry up and just get whatever I can find. So these are this time I decided to go with the different colors. So the purple and the blue is there. I still need to arrange my birds. He just kept it there, so I was like, yeah, don't worry, I'll rearrange them however I like it. But this is the front tree. This is the crepe myrtle. This one and the other tree, they both are crepe myrtle. This one has the red flower. Sorry, that one has a red flower, this one has a white flower, and these are the the seasonal flowers, so they bloom all the way until fall. And same thing with this flower also. And I want like nice and bright colors, so that's the reason I chose this time this orange color, as well as over there is the bright colors too. These are the other kind. And these are just like a different color leaves, and that's about it. So that's what I got here. And also, hopefully the deer doesn't come and mess all these things up, because you guys know the deer always come there to eat. So hopefully he will not bother with my garden here. But so far this is how it looks like. I still need to work on my porch, because of course yesterday actually it was raining and windy, so I still need to clean up, but that I will do it. But I just want to go show you guys how it looks like right now. Of course he put the new mulch and he did the edging and everything. Hopefully it stay like this for a longer time, because the problem is I always get the weeds around this side, and they are not like that easy to control. So but hopefully I'm gonna spray it down, and I'll just keep eye on it, make sure they don't come back. And that is another reason I just don't plant anything on this side, because of the weeds problem. And I do have this here. It's right underneath my window here. I might have to go and buy some more stones and just put it more over there. And I do have the bushes. Now this bushes actually around the summer, springtime, they stay like this, nice and green. But in winter they turn red. So these are all three turn reds in the winter.
I get the bird and the deer in my garden. Now I started getting the butterfly, guys. As you can see, he's sitting right there.
So the landscaping guy left, he's done with everything, and now we are here at the Olive Garden for the lunch, because this week kids has spring break. So here we are. So it's the end of the day. I'm in my pajamas now, and for dinner all I did is fried this samosa. If you like the spicy food, I would highly suggest that you do try this. They are so spicy and yummy. And let me show you which one it is. So this is it. It's from Ashoka. It's a Lahori style, and it's hot. They are spicy, guys. I just fried them, and here it is. Actually this is the only one left. Actually entire family, this is what we had today for dinner, but they are so yummy and spicy. So this is it, friends. I'm gonna end this vlog today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you made it this far, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.